Hi, so here's the final approach I have come up with recently after a fruitful discussion with the community member of how we can represent bidirectional metrics on the edges. Instead of having reverse directions or something like this, we could have a gradient which could represent the metrics coming from side A and side B. It would dramatically simplify the configuration options, because now we would just have to set edge styles to represent, for example, node status, whether the host is up or down. That would be edge style section first. And for this bidirectional bandwidth, for example, information, we could configure this section and use the arc layer to represent the metrics, the colors coming from side A and from side B. It could represent bandwidths for transmit and for receive, for example, if we are talking about communication networks. So this way, this config section finally has some human readable view here. At least I hope so. So take a look at the playground dashboard in the description. I will leave a link. And as you can mention, there's a 3D view which you can activate by holding the Control or Shift button while you scroll with your mouse. You can use full screen mode. It would be more convenient to explore. And finally, this widget can be somehow useful to switch to vertical mode. So to reset position, you can just use this compass widget. All this arcs mode is activated using this stat2 switch, or it can be initially predefined by using the stat variable. So stat1 stands for the primary metric, which represents, for example, host's status up or down, and stat2 would represent the edge metrics coming from side A and side B metric fields. Okay, let me know what you know in the comments.